Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Just a quick video on how to change the air filter on your AC, on your intake Soul Horizon. So you want this pig head screwdriver or just a flat head screwdriver, pop it open and pull it just like that, and then that's the dirty filter, and just wash it up. And to put back in, put these two slots together, and that's it. Close it up. Real easy. Just make sure you don't break the tap. And the next one, see how dirty that is? To clean this, you just have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 taps. All you gotta do is just turn it to the side, to the left, and unhook. To the left, to the left, and to the left. And pull it out, wash it up, and put it back in. That's all. Thanks.